Today we are going to start our topic from the basic. So what is our basic first? The basic topic is our vowels. So what is our basic topic? It is a vowels. Today we are going to learn about vowels. So what are vowels? First we are going to know which are the letters comes in vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So, from these alphabets, we are having 26 alphabets, and from 26 alphabets, the 5 alphabet letters are known as vowels. Now we have studied the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. So, let's look to the definition of vowel. What is the definition of vowel? Vowel is a speech sound produced by humans when the breath flows out through the mouth without being blocked by the teeth, tongue, or lips. Yes. So how we are using the vowel? Vowel is not a letter. We will see to it according to the sound. हम यहाँ पे sound पे focus करेंगे. For example, हम suppose बोलते हैं a, a. So this is a sound which is coming out. तो हम sound के according vowel define करते हैं. So which are the sounds? A, E, I, O, U. And the very important part is जब हम लोग ये vowel बोलते हैं that time हमारे इसमें teeth, tongue और lips ये तीनों का कभी भी touch नहीं होता है. Suppose if we are saying vowel, we will not touch our teeth together. When we are talking about vowels again, the tongues are not going to get touch with any part. And when we are again saying the vowel, the lips are not going to get joined. Let's try it again. A. See, is teeth, tongue or lips blocking the letter? A. No. A, E, I, O, U. Let's learn here few short vowels. The first one is A, apple, A, elephant, I, igloo, O, octopus, U, umbrella, umbrella. So, we have learnt about short vowels. Again, we are going to repeat here short vowels and then we will come to the long vowels. So, what is short vowels? A, cat, k, a, t, a, cat. E, peg. I, pig, ig, 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 pig. O, box, ox, box. U, sun, sun. So here we are making the sound of A, E, I, O, U, the letter which is written in the second word. Okay, in second. Now, we are going to learn long vowels. What is long vowels? A, cake, egg, cake, egg. So here we can see two vowels. A, E, where E is silent. Now next one is E, key, key, E, E, key. I, kite, ite, I-T-E, ite. Again here E is silent, kite. O, boat. Again two vowels are here, boat, oat, boat. U, cube, oob. Again E is silent here. So what is the difference between short vowels and long vowels? The difference is very simple. Here in short vowels we are using only one vowels in each and every word, and in long vowels we are using two. Okay, so we are using two vowels in each and every word. So again here we are going to learn A. Apple. E. Elephant. I. Whistle. O. Top. U. Duck. Now long vowel. A. Grapes. E. Tree. I. Bike. O. Boat. U. Cube. Now let's do the quiz. Now it's a quiz time. Let's enjoy. Fine. So here first we are going to do short vowel review. Okay. So see here. First which is E. What letter is going to come in between? E. So how we are going to pronounce it? Bed. Ed. Bed. Second one is cat. So which vowel will come? A. Cat. The third one is net. So which vowel is going to come in between? It. Net. E. Fourth one is nut. So which one will come here? Nut. At. Fifth one is dog. Og. O. Which sound is coming? O. O means O. Yes. Sixth one is bat. At. A. Bat. Seventh one is pig. Ig. Pig. Ig. I. Which sound is? I. Pig. Eighth one is bug. Ug. So what is the sound? U. Ug. Bug. Now the last one is 10. N. A. 10. Understood? So the letters which has came here, those all are known as vowel, and this is a short vowel review. Okay. Now next we are going to now learn about the long vowel. Okay. So first one is cake. K-A. E is silent here. So it will become cake. The second one is, let us see, plate. Yes. Third one is skate. Skate. Okay. Now fourth one is stove. Fifth one is shoes. Here you can see 2 or more vowels are coming. That is why it is called as long vowels. Plane. Now seventh one is kite. Kite. Eighth one is lemon. Lemon. The last one is cane. So everyone, I hope you all have enjoyed and understood. Okay, so what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Understood? And this we cannot define by the letters. We are going to focus on the pronunciation. We are going to focus on the sound of the letters. A, E, O, A. Like this. So what it is? A, E, I, O, U. We are going to recognize it according to the sound of the letters. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed the class. And if you have liked my video, please like and do comment on this. And if you have really liked, so subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Click on subscribe now. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you.